Yo, what's good gang, it's your boy iStream. Today we are here to unbox my brand new PC courtesy of Dr. Memory. Dr. Memory is a PC building company based in the UK that I've recently partnered with. They basically make some of the dopest gaming rigs out there right now. And today I'm going to be unboxing one of the systems that they made for me. Oh, actually, I pretty much made this exact same PC. Yup, that's right, I have another video dropping tomorrow of me actually getting hands-on building this very same PC. No, actually that's not true. I built a PC to give away for Christmas that could end up being yours. So make sure you guys stay tuned for that one. But anyway, let's go and unbox the PC, put it on this table and go through the entire spec sheet for you guys. Let me just go and grab a knife that I put back here. I didn't want to look like over here, you know what I mean? So I thought I'd hide it back there for a little bit for the intro, but let's open it, guys. Let's kick it. Woo, this is exciting and scary at the same time because obviously you don't want to slice through any of the PC accidentally, you know what I mean? So we want to keep it, what we'll do is we'll just slice on top of here and hopefully, I'm pretty sure that the PC doesn't really reach all the way up here anyway. All right, whoa, here we go, baby. I think I can put this away now. Woo! Let's go, boys and girls. This is how you would basically receive your package. So this is the exact same system that they use for all of their customers. So we build a PC, put it inside, and this is how you get everything delivered. So it's really well packaged. Jesus, that is actually a lot of safety packages. Woo! Okay, so we have the, this is the motherboard box. My motherboard is ASUS Prime A32MK. I don't think there's anything inside it. Nope. There's nothing inside it. All right, let's put this one down here. And then, all right, what is this? I think this is a spacer. Yeah, this might be a spacer, guys. No, this is the power supply box. So obviously, everything's been put together. Literally, everything's been put together, guys. So whenever you receive your PC, it's literally plug and play. All right, time to get the actual PC out. So there, inside the box, there's like handles that you can grab on the side, which is also pretty cool. Okay, get that out of the way. Let's put this on the floor because I'm gonna need to open this anyway. And also a box just popped out at the bottom. This is for the graphics card. So the graphics card that I've got in the system, guys, is ASUS or ASUS, however way you pronounce it. RTX 360 with 12 gig VRAM. So let's put that down here. All right, let's move this really big box away, and then let's go and get my surgical knife back out, and then open the actual PC. Oh, can't really break into that one, so maybe on the corner here, and then everything else should just. Oh, here we go, guys. Here we go, guys. Let's take it out. Not really sure I'm gonna take it out, but we'll try and grab it. My feet are currently holding the boxes tight. Oh my goodness. All right. Keep holding it, make sure we hold it. Let's sit it on the box first before the styrofoam, whatever you call it. It might slide, yeah, it would have slid off. If I tried to pick it up, all of it just using the styrofoam or whatever these, they would have just slid off the bottom. So you wanna be careful when you're opening boxes like that, guys. All right, so let's hold it at the bottom so we can hoist it up a little bit. I think it's upside down. Hold on, is it upside down? Nope, it needs to go up. This is the back. God, I'm blind. Be careful. There we go. Always take your time, guys. When you're doing unboxing with things like this, you wanna take your time and don't take any risks. I've actually put it completely upside down, because I could barely see, so we're gonna have to switch, we're gonna have to flip it completely around. But it's good anyway, it works out well because we need to take off the bottom bit. Oh, need to go gym, guys. Sheesh. All right, here we go. We're gonna take off the top cap, take off the plastic. And here we go, guys. This is the PC. This is it right here. It is in, this case, it's called the Legend case, which is actually pretty cool because I'm an Apex Legends mobile player, and the case is literally called Legend. I didn't choose it; they chose it for me. So I just turned up there and it said, right, this is the case, this is the build that we're gonna give you. Well, I knew what the specs were gonna be, obviously, because I gave them a minimum, blah blah blah. But I didn't really get to choose about the case, and they chose Legend's case, guys. You know what I mean? What are the chances? So look at it, guys. It's absolutely slick. Now, a lot of you guys will know that I'm not very flashy in terms of like aesthetics, so I like mine really slick, really smart, and minimalist. And look at this, guys. Absolutely gorgeous. Oh my goodness, it's absolutely beautiful. It's got 3 fans at the front. And so basically in terms of input and outputs, it's got one USB 3, a normal USB 2, auxiliary slot for the headphones and mic. And then at the back, so I'll show you guys, hold on. There you go, this is what the top looks like. Right here, and then on the side over here, as you can see inside, there is there's a foam that holds all the pieces together. So during transport, when everything else is shaking, the parts are not. They're literally held tight in place. So I'm gonna take that out in a minute, and then I'm gonna give you guys a closer look of what's actually inside the PC. Let's just rotate it behind, because I was gonna show you guys what's on the back, right? There we go. So we've got a number of USB ports. So we've got 4 USB 3s, 2 USB 2s, a HDMI, Ethernet. So when you guys first get a PC and you plug it in your monitor, do not put it in any of this back plate. Yeah, do not. You want to put it in your graphics card, otherwise you're not going to see anything, guys. Yeah, so you want to put your HDMI in here. I think there's there's one HDMI and then there's 3 display ports. Display ports better and faster, basically. So if you've got a choice of between a HDMI or display port monitor, most of the time I'm pretty sure it's better to go with display port. But yeah, so we got 3 over there. So basically I can have 4 monitors. I don't think Mrs. Ice is gonna let me have that though, so that's a story for another day. And there's a nice cooling fan over here with a Dr. Memory logo. Let's go, baby. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna turn it sideways and then we're gonna open it. All right, guys, what we'll do now is we'll take everything out. So unscrew the glass panel. Oh, let's take this off first, guys. Let's take this off. You should be able to see it on the top-down cam. This is probably one of the most satisfying things to do on a brand new item, unless you're one of the people that don't like to take them off. So what we'll do is we'll just take this film cover off. Okay, I think that's inside. Oh my lord. Oh, that is so satisfying, guys. Woo! All right, we need to take the glass off. I think there's another layer of film inside. Not entirely sure. Yes, there is. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna flip it carefully and then do the same thing. Yeah? So let's take this bit off. Oh my lord. Yep. Okay, and then so we take this glass panel out. Again, carefully. Try and hold it on the side so you don't get any fingerprints on it. I'm gonna put it away. Okay, so inside, you'll see on the hand cam is the wire, the power supply wire. We're gonna need to, I wanna turn the PC on, so we'll just do this now. It's got like a foam bag that basically holds everything inside. So we'll take that out very carefully. And don't just completely pull it off, otherwise you're just gonna pull off whatever it's holding, basically. So right here, we've got the 3060 RTX ASUS 3060. And then as for the CPU, I have a Ryzen 7 5700X 8-core CPU. Can't quite remember how many gigahertz, how fast it is, but all I needed to know is just it has 8 cores and it's a Ryzen 7. So I need it for editing and also a bit of, live gameplay streaming with Warzone 2, Modern Warfare 2, those kind of games. So I don't need an absolute beast of a PC for gaming. I need it more to have a really solid CPU for editing, heavy editing. And also I have a DDR4 RAM, which is 32 gig in this PC. So just to recap everything, I have a Ryzen 7 5700X 8-core CPU, an ASUS GeForce RTX 3060 12 gig RAM graphics card, and for my RAM I have 32 gig of DDR4 memory. And as for the storage, I have 500 gig NVMe for my operating system, and also important apps like Photoshop and Premiere. So basically anything that I want quick access for and I'll be able to turn on, turn off really quickly. And as far as general storage, I have 1 terabyte SSD in the unit. So it's a pretty decent PC, guys. It's actually a really good PC to be editing with and also be playing games with. So what we'll do is we'll put the glass panel back on and then we're going to turn it on so you guys can see some RGB action. So we're gonna plug it in right now, switch it on, switch it on. Woo, baby! Oh, look how slick it is. Just look how slick it is, guys. Oh my lordy. Oh, she's a beauty, isn't she? Oh, look at that, guys. Nothing too overpowered, you know what I mean? So everything is just, it's just nice, basically. Right, let's try and change the colors now. Oh my, it's a quick switch, huh? It's literally just a quick switch. Red. Oh, I think this is rainbow. And there's the red right there. Let's have a look at yellow. Ooh. Ooh, look at the RGB plate down here too, guys. Oh my lord. Dark blue. But we're gonna keep it a green. You know why we're gonna leave it a green, guys? Because I have a new set of overlays. I've rebranded my visuals, my aesthetics, my stream. Everything that you're about to see from the new year is gonna be something like this. So make sure you guys stay tuned, subscribe. If you like this video, if you want more unboxing videos like this, subscribe to my channel, hit that like button, guys, turn your notifications on, because I am now officially working with Dr. Memory, bringing you some quality content about how to build a PC, how to troubleshoot the PC. I'm also going to be building a high-end PC for Dr. Memory as well at some point in the future, so make sure you guys stay tuned, hit that subscribe button, drop a like to help this video go, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.